Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to
FamilyMath number 1065.
1065. Okay, so I think there's this is on screen. Okay, so this is again today's puzzle from Catriona Shearer. Gave you a pretty good challenge, but you have an answer. We haven't looked at the Twitter thread yet, but we're going to have you go through what your work was here. The rectangles are congruent, each of which has an area of 9. What is the area of the triangle? So why don't you explain how you approach this problem? It's a lot of writing here, but I think you can talk about what you did.
So first thing I did was label the sides as x.
Yeah, try to point.
This is 9 over x.
Okay, so the long side is x, and the short side is 9 over x. Okay.
So I tried to find the base and the height in terms of x. So this is x minus, this is 9 over x here, because going from here to here, these two sides are x plus 9 over x, which makes this an isosceles right triangle.
Nice.
So this angle is 45 degrees.
Great, that's a great observation.
So this is x minus 9 over x.
Okay.
And then this side here, 9 over x, and then x. So this is x plus 9 over x.
Okay.
And so the area of the triangle is x minus 9 over x plus x plus 9 over x all over 2.
Okay, it looks like I'm covering that up over here.
So
Turn on more light.
this is a difference of squares.
Yep.
So it becomes x squared minus 81 over x squared over 2. And then I multiply by x squared over x squared for this term to make it x to the 4th minus 81 over x squared over 2.
Okay.
And so it becomes 2x to the 4th minus 162 over x squared. And this doesn't really simplify at all. You can't...
Oh, yeah, be careful on that dividing by 2 there. That 2's on the bottom.
You over 1/2. Oh, so it just becomes x to the 4th minus 81 over 2x squared.
Yeah.
Which still doesn't really simplify at all. You can't do a lot to it.
No. Okay. So yeah. So all right. So you got a good algebraic expression for the area of the big triangle, and it even with the 2 being in the right place, you still need to figure out what x is.
Yep.
Okay.
So then I tried looking at some of the other triangles to see if I could figure out anything, and I figured out, well, I couldn't really figure out anything that I already knew. This was x minus 9 over x. I tried to get an expression for the sides of this triangle here, which is similar to this, but it turned into something pretty ugly.
Yeah. Okay.
So I just sort of got stuck here pretty much after getting this expression. But then what you can do is look at each of the triangles sort of individually. If you break it up into this triangle here, this triangle here, and this triangle here.
All right.
And then if you do that, you can get pretty nice expression for some areas. You get, since this is 9 over x for the base and x for the height, you get 9 over 2, which is 4.5 as the area of this part here.
Okay. I'm going to zoom out maybe just a little bit and write these down. Okay. So this one. There's our cat helping. So you got 9 halves.
Yep.
For this one. Okay, this kind of lower one. Okay, got it.
Then this triangle here is 9 over x times 9 over x over 2. So you get 81 over 2x squared.
81 over 2x squared. Okay.
And this triangle is 9 over x times x minus 9 over x over 2.
Okay, so 1/2 9 over x. What'd you say?
Times x minus 9 over x.
X minus 9 over x, okay.
And that becomes 1/2 times 9 and times, or
So
minus 81 over x squared.
oh, I see. So it gets, the x cancels, so we get 1/2 times 9 over x times x, so that's 9/2 again.
Yep.
So that's matches that, and then this is
It's minus
minus
81
81
over
over
2x squared.
squared. Oh, isn't that nice?
So then these cancel,
Uh-huh.
and you're left with 9 as your area.
Oh, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. So it's, if any way we could highlight the triangles, I guess we didn't really bring any markers over. So this was one triangle here. This was another one, and then that was another one.
Yep.
Cool. Nice solution, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to have you look at the Twitter thread now and find the solution that you like, okay?
Okay.